And with that, I sit down. So, does that work? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a very high-level functional test, because I want to start describing one aspect of the feature that we're building. So I create a new file here that I say live search functional test.js. And this test is going to describe something in terms, not in terms of my API, but in terms of the user interacting with the web page. So we're going to try to simulate very crudely how the user uses our page so we can describe the feature. So we should display some suggestions as the user types. This is the feature we're building. Can you all read this? Is it too small? Okay. Yell at me if it gets too small. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a markup which represents my form here. And the test framework I'm using is called JS Test Driver. Has anyone used that framework? That was one person. Okay. The rest of you will catch up as I show you how it works. So this is a quirky kind of feature in JS Test Driver where I can make a special comment that starts with :doc. And JS Test Driver will then parse this comment for me and make an actual DOM object out of it for my test. Usually I'm not a big fan of this feature, but for like integration testing like I'm doing now, it's kind of useful. So this is just a basic form where we can search. Now this.form, the name comes from here. This.form will be the actual DOM element. So I'm going to do this.